I started this project with elderly Ethiopian Jews quite a few years ago. We started with 8 people, now we have 40 people, each one with their own row, growing their own food. They've been farmers for all their lives.
I had the unique pleasure to join this very special project where international students and elderly people from the Ethiopian community are coming to work the land and grow their own crops for food and for the pleasure of working the land.
It's a course for international students and Israeli students, and they learn from each other and they spend time together also outside of the course. So it's a triangle of learning about culture and about agriculture.
What we see here is a very unique joint and meeting of different people from very different backgrounds, very diverse. Each one brings his own knowledge and share it with the others. And so together they made this very, very special community.
We have learned to develop and grow a lot of crops, even the sister crops and other crops which we were not able to learn before coming here.
Really taught me practical aspects about farming. We came across various challenges that farmers face in the production, like pest management. It was really also a good avenue to interact with people from different countries.
It's really a very good program that allows us to get to know agricultural skills from books then to the field. All in all, this has been an important course to us, and I thank the school and the program coordinators for bringing us here. Thank you so much.